Jamaican Escovitch fish. The word Escovitch is believed to have originated from the Spanish word Escovitch, which refers to a method of preserving food by marinating it in a vinegar-based sauce. Escovitch was introduced to Jamaica by Spanish settlers in the 15th century. The dish perfectly reflects the island's diverse cultural influences. It's been about 3 minutes on one side. Let's see where we're at. That's what we're talking about, people. Nice colour. It's traditional to use fish like snapper and parrotfish, but today I'm using salmon. These look perfect, absolutely perfect. Right, so all the fish is done. Now let's move on to the Escovitch sauce. And it could not be easier. Anyone can make it, trust me. Don't waste that fish oil that you use. That is full of flavour. We're gonna use that now. Onions, carrots, sweet peppers, Scotch bonnet pepper, and some fresh thyme. Cannot make Escovitch without vinegar. So get vinegar in there. And this is just a game of balancing. If you like it more vinegary, you add more vinegar. If you like it less vinegary, you add more sugar. 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Perfect. That Escovitch just takes fish to the next level.